Mistras, one source for asset protection solutions.
I've been in this industry a long time, and one of the things you come to understand is that nothing can replace people. That's what a lot of organizations who think about using drones get wrong. It's not just about the technology. It's the people behind the technology that can provide the real value. Plant owners really rely on these inspections, especially when they trust the person doing them. In the hands of the right people, drones can provide all the same information, but without the safety risks. When I ran my plant, the most important thing to me would have been that drones weren't replacing people. I wouldn't want to replace the value that human experience brings. It was important to me that I had a provider that understood my side of the business. Knowing how to operate the drone is certainly important, but they also need to understand what they're looking for and the value of these inspections. Safety and value are the reasons we do these inspections in the first place.
Few companies can say they've continuously remained at the forefront of inspection technology for decades. Mistras is proud to say that we do. We've built our customers' trust through a legacy of leadership and innovation in the inspection industry, and by never wavering from our commitment to provide world-class inspections. We pioneer state-of-the-art technology to make our people safer and to provide higher value inspections for the customers we serve. But we've always understood that our people are our most important asset. With the help of our drone inspection brand, AETOS, we're bringing proven, safe, and efficient remote inspections straight to your facility. Just like we've always done, we rely on our industry-leading inspectors to set the standard for quality inspections. AETOS brings safety to new heights by utilizing FAA-licensed professional pilots to expertly navigate hazardous and confined areas. AETOS was the first company licensed to fly drones in the petrochemical airspace, giving our pilots the experience that many others in this growing technique lack. We conduct inspections in at-height areas from a safe distance, at ground level, eliminating the need for expensive and risky scaffolding. It's our mission to reduce confined space entry, so we use air and surface drones to safely visually inspect these areas. Our drones aren't doing inspections on their own.
Okay, go ahead and move back just a little bit. Okay. On the back side. Go ahead and zoom in on that one.
Inspectors, pilots, and drones work as a single unit, with pilots using their certified risk management training and the robots acting as Mistras's eyes in the sky and on the inside to see things that traditional inspections may not be able to. AETOS' drones are equipped with a range of non-destructive inspection, surveying, imaging, sensing, and recovery tools. To reduce turnaround time and keep your plant compliant, we perform our in-service inspections to API codes. And all that data that our drones capture can be viewed in real time or for playback to inspectors and operators, enabling the boots on the ground to make immediate and well-informed responses to critical situations. No matter the inspection need, Mistras has you covered. The breadth of our expertise, local presence with a global reach, and financial fortitude enables solutions across the world's critical energy and civil infrastructure.
Experience. That's what it comes down to. Show me you're an expert and I'll trust you to do what's best for my plant. Mistras has earned that right. Drones are new, but quality inspectors aren't.